Bro, mid-vlog, though. Niggas made it. We made it. We at the gym. Me and Ty. Eli and T playing with us today. Cause T gonna keep playing with us, but Eli just got back from college. He's gonna poop with us. Show me something, Ty. Oh, fuck that. Okay. Fuck my ex. You niggas blunt. I'm literally on court playing in fucking Louis V. I have Louis V on my body, fucking peasant. Is this recording? No. Oh God, it's this. So what we got on the menu today? We got fresh food. Get this on camera. You about to go with that? Am I? What is it? You about to go with that? I don't know. I think that's E shit. Bro, this is not E shit. That's my shit. Oh, I'm saying, let me put this bitch down. Why you put it down? Put that bitch down immediately. Yo, this nigga's there. We got Ocho on the bill. Bro. Oh shit. That nigga here. Strat. Mania, man. I'm about to catch a body, multiple bodies, man. You know, real hair on it. Lil' Ho, man, Lil' Ho. Hey, bro, we watching the wrestling, the WWE watching. What they doing? WWE versus SmackDown Raw 2009. Tony Montana and his uncles. I just seen RBD. Oh my God. Come on, man. Throw that bitch down. T in the corner. Can we get that money? Latte. Latte, he done, dumbass. Come on, man. Man, kill him, man, kill him. What the fuck? What the hell, nigga? What's wrong with you, boy? Coaching staff. Yo, ref, give me one. Oh, yeah, that's a bucket? He's about to go get those. Bro, that scary ass nigga. Oh shit! Okay, stay in there, goddamn. Showtime Lakers, don't you? What the hell? What the fuck? Like, one of the most oddest basketball vibes I've ever seen. That nigga said, yo, either one of y'all niggas wanna play? That nigga is tired already. Look how he guarding that nigga. What the fuck? What's the score? Oh my God. Man, y'all better. Oh my God. We getting through that.
Deep.
Nigga took it through the alley to see.
Bro, this shit is
How you feeling right now?
press break.
I'm feeling good. I missed a couple shots.
If you trying to come in like 2 minutes, either get screwed.
Who's that? Oh, I bet. But no, like I was saying though, I'm not playing to my full ability, man. You know, I had a couple missed lobs where I could have realized just dunk that bitch, shook the whole rim. So, yeah, like he was saying, they came out strong out the gate, hitting threes and shit. You know, but it's alright though. We finna get back. I had a couple opportunities where I could have dunked the ball, you know. But it's okay, I'm gonna get that shit. This second quarter, I just warm my legs up, you know what I'm saying? I got four easy buckets. I mean, 4 easy points. A couple I missed, you know. Missed both my free throws, but it's alright, you know what I'm saying? Homeboy over there looking at me, you know, he hit the shot at the end of the half, but she was like, okay, we're gonna come back. Fuck.
Y'all can come back.
Damn! That nigga's matching that shit, bro. Y'all step it up. I'm not going to. This shit too easy, man. That's a little deficit. Bro, you got 8 trains. Man, Rick those. Bro, ref, contact, bro.
Bro, he can't keep doing that.
Oh my God.
Get some honey. Okay.
Hey, bro. What else can I ask for? Like, they don't want to commit. Like, get into the defense, I say, like,
I don't know what to do no more. We was this close to the championship, and we didn't get it.
don't let them shoot the game. My nigga has 4 threes in the fourth quarter, bro. LeBron is your team. Like, you can score more than me.
That nigga said, I can get that bitch for 8 points.
That nigga said he had 23, 5, 5, and 8 last night.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie.
What the fuck?
Hey, Shaw, he said he fucked y'all up.
What is 8 what? 8 what?
Hey,
Still?
look.
Cause it's
That nigga
literally
was
just me.
pissed. He said, them niggas don't know. We bust that ass last week. I was like, damn.
Well, he don't even dump me game. That nigga's hard, bro. He is a freshman, bro. I was watching all you niggas. Oh, you fucking suck. Yo, bro, throw the camera on me. Yo, I can beat this nigga. No, we're coming from this nigga. Throw the camera on this nigga too. Yo. Camera on him too. Bro, I was waxing this whole fucking on Bro, I was doing niggas so bad they said Mari just try to play freshman, bro. Just try with the JV. I should try to bring him to JV. He couldn't even fucking make the JV team. Bro, sit down. First of all, these niggas was in there with no shirts on. He was like, yo, pass me the ball, bro. You can't yell at me while I'm trying to. PG shit, you know what I'm saying? Nigga did one play and got scratched off the list. I really played you niggas.
I'm not gonna lie, if I had my shoes today, y'all niggas not winning that game. Me and Armando's waxing.
Did you see what I was doing? And I was like, this nigga, you can't put no faith in a nigga that just chuck threes all this. Bro, nigga. You don't get to the league, bro. We can do this shit, and you can put some fucking money on the floor.
I played taller, so this shit.
I haven't played taller.
I scored a whole 15.
I'm driving.
Realistically, you gonna really
Who the
have
game?
to push that nigga out the way how you push the ID. When you like, you push that nigga, he's like, bro, this how you play defense.
Were you about to punch that nigga?
That nigga said,
Swear that nigga said. I was like, damn.
like, yo, this nigga in the
Nigga, they probably put him in when he was cold as fuck, though. He probably was freezing on the Like, bro, when you sit on the bench, so, bro, that's what Coach Smart did to me on fucking top tier. This is why I don't put you in the fucking game. Nigga, I'm cold as shit. Fuck. Nigga, it's the fourth fucking quarter. And you want to just now put me in? He didn't want to give me no burn.
And then, you know I'm going to be playing, bro.
You, nigga. You gonna be playing. Nigga, I'm gonna play D. The whole time, every play E run, you coming up that screen, that back pin down, don't go off that. Go off.
It's the cornbread. We finna put the cornbread in after. Yeah. Turkey down there. We finna take it out.
Damn, that shit look freaky.
Jay,
My fault.
shit. We gonna check the temp. Pull it out at
What?
the fuck? Oh, that shit is hot. Should've been for that, did
I'm making the rice.
Tell me what you making, man. Tell me what you making.
I'm making Haitian rice and some gravy. Yeah, guys, I came home late because I have to make the money. Yes, because we got bills to pay. That's the reason I stay a little late. My bad. That's the reason we're eating late. Ah!
I gotta get a little bit of everything in there. Turkey, a little juice, a little juicy. Mac and cheese hit. You know that's your specialty though.
Oh no, yeah, it is. Yes, it is.
Slimy.
Yes,
little
it is.
cream. I said it hit. A little baked, a little bit, bros on the top. A little.
God bless.
The voice is great.
Anything. This is my review. My preference. My preference. First, we're gonna start off with the rice.
Bro, he's good.
6 out of 10. Is mac and cheese.
You gonna eat?
Eight out of 10. 8 out of 10.
Sorry, a little later. I mean, you can't.
Now I'm starting to wonder if it's the lacking of marketing or if it's the high of price. I don't know what's going on. Might be the marketing.
Stop all that. We didn't ask for yaps.
I got a customer, like, you know, a couple. They're my regular customer. And then the lady, she always have hot chocolate. And the way I make it for it is incredible. That's me, you know, because that's my personality. Then the lady said, oh, do you love dog? I said, yeah, I love dog. She said, oh, I have a dog at home, you think, whatever, because when my son was at cancer, he was a bad dog. like it goes kind of protecting dog, but different things for each people in the house. I said, there's the guy. Oh really? He said yes. My ex-wife. I said, what? What do you mean? You couldn't still say if you have a dog in the house, because it's a dog, I don't know, trainer or something. He said if you have a dog in the house and the dog cannot stand somebody in the house, there's something wrong. When I was thinking, I said, no, huh?
Michael Jordan.
Michael Jordan.
Mikael Jordan.
Mikael Jordan.